This 2024 Forest River Aurora 16RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 16 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.